Morning G's and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How's everyone doing? Just thought I should jump onto the Vlogmas train. Yeah, thought I should jump onto Vlogmas, guys, because I have so much FOMO vlogging. Today is the 21st of December 2022. We made it, guys, we made it, but at what cost? It's a little bit after 9. We woke up long ago, but we were just having a little lie-in. Because obviously 21st of December when's I know anymore. But my plan for today, I can't do solid ne, but I just wanted to have a Vlogmas vlog. I don't know how many times I want to upload during Vlogmas because obviously we're nearly over, there's like 4 days left. However, I think I want to probably post every other day if I have content, because we're going to be doing a little bit over the festive season. Now is on leave, so that's exciting. But the itinerary for today, guys, is literally need to clean this place because it looks like a tip in one I literally can't breathe because over the weekend his cousins came and then I need to organize the pantry because I bought as containers from Pep stores. And then what else? I need to do some maintenance because my hair is so grown, guys. It is so grown, so I need to relax it. Because in the funeral, when's I ulanga, man, guys. Nama's ulanga. Because I had braids that I did on myself, but I can't explain the pleasure. And then also, I need to meal prep ukutya so I didn't be fling effective. And that's basically it. How's your guys' festive season coming along? Now, guys, I honest to God believe that all December is the big closing function of December 2019. Otherwise, it's just not giving what it needs to give. So yeah, guys, spend the day with us. I don't know if Lily's gonna make an appearance because I know you guys, some of you guys are here for her. But yeah, man, guys, that's literally it. The longest intro of history, but yeah, still up. TTYL. I told you guys when we moved in that this place has zero storage, and I honest to God didn't want to buy those boring old kitchen cupboards that people buy in apartments like this. Yeah, well, in apartments like this. So I opted to buy a butcher block to give it a pantry farmhouse feel. Yeah, well, just to bring some character to the place. So that's why I bought those containers. I wanted those ones with the wooden lids, but they were very expensive. They're 50 rand versus the ones that I bought, which are 30 rand, and they're black, so they're fine. It's a neutral color. So what I need to do now is to kupela zonke izinto like flour, oats, and then repack this whole thing. I think also too at a point that I played myself because Liana the other day was in her walking ring, and did she not pour black pepper all over herself? It was hilarious, but obviously I'm like, Jesus, I need to make a plan. So let's buy and everything, the condiments and everything else that's come out on the top rack and then the bottom and put dishes. She breaks my dishes, it's fine, versus her being in danger. Yeah, well. So let us do this. This is the before. I'm gonna quickly plug you guys if you are an avid fan of cooking or just need to eat or want to eat flavorful food. Robinson spices don't do it for me. They're very bland, and these are the bomb. It's my spice maker, guys. I believe in it more than I believe in myself. Obviously, I still need to buy a clear container for this, but I didn't find it woven the pep or even a wooden one. The 6 gun, guys, is overrated, but this from the gods, guys, from the gods. You know I like peppery food. Oh, and these spices are available at Checkers. I go Pick and Pay. Checkers, guys. You need to check them out. 2 hours later. So guys, I'm so happy with the progress. This is what's going on at the top. I obviously have all my condiments, and then here are the containers, and then obviously my cutlery and utensils. Then at the bottom, I obviously need more dishes and glasses, but this space, guys, is really limiting. I don't want this place cluttered. It's cluttered as it is. And then up here I have a fruit basket and Liana's stuff. And that's not a major. When you get matching toasters and stuff, so I fix that, guys, working progressively. I like this butcher block so much, so much. Now I'm just gonna quickly make breakfast for everyone else, and then I'll eat later because I'm still cleaning up. Otherwise, I'm happy with the progress. It looks like a hot mess, but look how thick my hair is, guys. Neighbor, a little island zamil about something. Having to shape my brows in so long, but yeah, all that shall be rectified. And today, first is done, so I just thought I should also just make myself and just sit down and eat. I can take a break, I can afford to take a break. Until I'm finished, but I need the energy, so I might as well. Just to add to the farmhouse theme, I got these cute little kitchen um, curtains from Paper. Absolutely love them. Another place here for one kitchen, and there's guys. And their homemaking is them. I want to cook. Finished bathing Lily. So I'm just busy with her meal prep ngoku. This is like hours later because I nap and nap and that relax and I have to do things in intervals, guys. One door, your cooker. 0 out of 10 would not recommend. So I see potato on the menu. I'm just gonna boil that and put some butter, and then you'll see how I store my stuff. Then I have carrots, obviously. Then I also have apples, so that's fine for rotation for her. And then extend nigga also can you meat because the cereal like is not. Let me turn you guys around. I haven't bathed. Yes, the lighting in this flat makes me look so dark. But anyway, not that I'm don't shop it, but like where's my lips? However, when such a guys, it's really like I know the nutrients meal and like weight Lily is fine, like it's above a little bit above the meridian for her grade, for her age, yeah, well. But they would like to see her gain weight faster versus what she's gaining weight. So they suggested milli on a on a on a peanut butter, yeah, well. If it was a Western country, her weight would be fine. But Gabon or South Africa, they have to be plump. And I'm okay with that. I'm done cute anyway. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And let me show you her. I haven't seen her the whole vlog. Keep banana lund. Say hello to the cheese. Say hello to the cheese. I'll say tiny banana. I think I teeth. Oh, going to I think I teeth because she's been so impossible. Say hello. Ma. Mama. Almost to be 9 months on the 25th of December. Let's cook your food, Nana. We are put yours only banana. Buy more than a banana. Oh, yeah. So, what try baby led winning? Baby led winning. Yeah. And it's fine. Hi, Jawan. Hi, Jawan. Mama. Mampo. Mampo. Hello. Ma. Sana. Yo, I'm that dinner homemaking, guys. Yo. I've been clearly since 5 o'clock because Lena's an early riser. My mother is not died, she's multiplied. But I got out of bed at around 9. Because no load shedding, nah? So we decided to stay in bed. Yeah, well. Otherwise, I'm going to clean now, and then now obviously I'm just making supper. We're just having chicken and bread because it's big days and I come to the pega. And also I'm just finishing off your prep and I'm just boiling the sweet potato. Carrots say I've already set them aside to cool. So I'm gonna blend those and then put them in ice trays and then freeze them. Then just couple of freezer bags. Otherwise, no disrespect, guys, and the way I look, but I'm helping to learn this relaxing, so I'll do that. My vlog, it might not, because I want this vlog to go up tomorrow, which is the 22nd in the morning. Because tomorrow we're going to the beach, so I'm going to edit that and then upload it after that. But guys, while homemaking, it's not fun at all. I don't think I'd ever be able to be an interior decorator because the paishi furniture and stuff like that takes so long and it's so tedious. So tedious. Haven't caught up in a while. Maybe the last time I spoke to you guys actually about anything was when we moved into this flat. Otherwise, we've got most of the big items. I'm sure that you even want a washing machine, the stove, because it's not too bad, and just other things. But otherwise, cupboard, sofa, sitengile, and yeah, in the cupboard is the kitchen. I'm just waiting for a delivery from Take a Lot, and that's telling my because they bus for me. But yo, I teach land when it takes a lot of money. So guys, but yeah, This is not an investment type of thing. It's not just a buying base because obviously in the next 2 to 3 years we should be able to buy a house. Should I get a job? Please God. Never. So so I'm not buying luxury items that I'm gonna keep forever, but obviously not buying the cheapest of things. But yeah, guys, we'll catch up and soon. I'll do a live update as to what's happening in Uliana, motherhood, how how I hope my future is gonna be, probably in the new year, whatever the case is. Not how my future is gonna be, my future plans. That was not a bit none. And my brain is mush because all I speak is baby talk. So but I just wanted to vlog and catch up with you guys and just have some company besides my boyfriend and my child. Because wow, a bora was a ticker. Hello. Yeah, I should have enough content for today. The world's most boringest vlog, but I'm just giving you guys my life. Better than plans. I had some cleaning to do. Imagine this is a flat. She's not at that age yet. So yeah, I learned the way to guys. In Paul, December, lukewarm, very, very lukewarm. But give it this out in. Don't please well. But here we are fun, guys. I'll catch up with you guys. I'll blend and stuff like that and just show you for anyone as a child how, or anyone who's interested even if you're planning or whatever the case is, how I do for food and stuff like that. The most important thing that I told myself in terms of my vlogging, obviously my life has changed and I feel like it's changed for the better. There's so much more fulfillment and so I'm not gonna be like, I'm not gonna vlog because I'm not doing anything on that particular day, because I want to capture the essence of my days as they are, no editing per se, or that much curation, just want to give it raw and as pure as possible. So as to the future, when we look back, not I edited things out or omitted things out just for it to look aesthetically pleasing. Kunje. It's the Simple Life Diaries, I should call it, and how I'm navigating my new life. And yeah, man, guys. It's not like don't come and do sikuyo. And yours I'm sweet potato yam the chicken yam sana bam. And the band was scheduled to be gone at 6 o'clock. It's only 5 o'clock. Hey, Richard. But for done, you guys, never. For done. Lord, let's know that. Now, let me show you guys our Christmas tree for Lily's first Christmas. So excited. So this is Lily's Christmas. Obviously, I went for a Christmas tree. I went for a gold and silver theme. I got the tree from Pep. Everything is from Pep. It's not much, but it's giving, guys. J for a little bit of a Christmas vibe. Everything was under 100 rand, and it gives what it needs to give. No complications. The space is for anything extravagant, so it works for the space. And then I've just bought these headbands for Lily and I, and then we bought these hats. I bought 3 of them for Dad, and if anyone else wants to join us. Then I just bought wrapping paper. I bought everyone something from Shein. There's a Shein on haul coming soon. Man, didn't you worry? There's a Shein haul coming soon. So I bought everyone something from Shein. So I'm gonna wrap it after I've done the haul, obviously, for myself, my baby, and Liana's dad, my baby's dad, my baby daddy. So yeah, that's about it. Tell you awkward. Tell you just gonna awkward girl. Yeah, okay, I'm not listening. I'm like, yeah, and discombobulator into umbane. Because it's seven on ban, because then blend them with carrot and this poly. The pomegranate in. So I'll catch you guys. Okay, here's the before of my hair. What's the relaxing? Because Sana is not. The relaxing is not like plugging off now. This pain. Thought I was also gonna put on some press sounds, but can't talk. And so go hobo eskinje. It's gonna chair first, guys. Listen, this forget penny one. Just to freshen up, nightcap type of vibe. Everything. Sabana guys, the pumile going on the and I can't go on beggar on the floor. Little papalas and tea. You are like guys and say now 2 tolerance, I 2 low grades. The carry back a pen and was with paper. So I'm easing my body back into alcohol. Because nyanzela but nje yabo papa kwam. So I'm just taking a breather, which was like, oh, shlamba man, I'm just having a snack. Now I'm on the train of long chips. I don't know if you guys have heard them. Tingsoka pep, I think. But yeah, it's nothing that exciting. It's just normal Pringle like rice or whatever they are. The potato. Whatever they are. And what am I, guys? Hello. Yeah. Thank you. Can you just put this on here? Thanks so much. You guys see me. So the stuff from Take a Lot has arrived. It's just the laundry basket. And I bought them candy. I'll show you guys when I've assembled everything. I just finished assembling the rack inch, guys. Can't show you in the bottom because it's dark now and I come back. So inch, but it's like not that big. It's like 39 centimeters wide. Well, lunch. I gotta take a lot. Anyway, guys, I just have some relaxer in my hair. I'm going to wash it up now. That's relaxer bread. Hey, it's so cute. And detail it up. Anyway, guys, I think I should just end the vlog here. And that's my intern because that's my I'm 7, I'm 8. So yeah, when I start the new vlog, because I want to edit this one and then upload it at midnight, and then you guys will see it obviously later on tomorrow, or if we night out, I'll keep you company. And when I get vlog, guys, you saw me as I am. Umntu oklina yakaswenki and soloko nswenkile ngibanje endlini ngoku, especially. But can you guys see the skin is skinning? This time last year, guys, I was in shambles. So guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.